Good morning, Primary 5. Welcome back to school. I'm very happy to see you. Let's start. We will make revision about previous lessons in the Primary 4. What is the meaning of please value? Please value my room. Please value my room. This is called decimal point. Decimal point has two parts, in the right and in the left. Okay. Begin from what? Begin from left. Unit, tenth, hundred, thousand, and so on. From the right, ten, hundreds, thousands. For example, 1. Write the place value of the underlined digits. A. Number 7. After decimal point, tenth. After decimal point, tenth. Tenth, hundreds, thousands. So, number 7, the place value of number 7 is thousand. B. Number 3, after decimal point, tenth. Okay, يبقى in the right begin from what? Tenth. Number 2 هنا number 1 tenth, number 2 hundredths. Okay. D. 9 in the left unit. يبقى in the left begin from what? Unit. Okay. Number 6 unit 7 6 tenths. Put tenths. F. Number 1 in thousand. Okay. To complete the following. To find the value of this number, the answer must be number. Okay. 3 in what? In tenth. Put 3 in tenth and put point and all the number before put 0. Okay. The value of 1 in this number, 1 in hundreds. Okay. Put 1 in hundreds and put all the number before, put 0 and put decimal point and 0. The value of 9, 9 in what? In thousands. Okay, put 9 and all number before put 0. 9 in thousand. Have 2 0. 1 in hundreds, put 1 0. 3 in tenth, point 0. This the value of 9. 9 in what? In unit. Put the same number 9. The value of 5 in this number, 5 in what? In tenth. Put 50. Yes. Number 3, write the following fractions in the decimal form or convert a fraction to the decimal form. To convert a fraction to the decimal form, the denominator must be 10, 100, 1000, 10,000. Okay, must be 10 to convert decimal. 6 and 5 over 10. Okay? Put 6 in the whole number and put 5 in tenths. After one decimal place. After one decimal place. B. 23 and 2 over 1000. To convert decimal, the denominator 10, 100, 1000, 10,000. Okay? Put 23 in the whole number and put 2 in after 3 decimal places, 2 in thousands. C. 7 and 22 over 100. Put 7 in whole number and put 22 after 2 decimal places. D. 24 over 100. Don't find whole number, so put 0 in whole number and put 24 after 2 decimal places. Question 4. Write the following fractions in the decimal form. We will remember the friends. 2 friends 5. 2 times 5 equal 10. 4 times 25 equal 100. 8 times 125 1000. A. To convert mixed number or fraction to the decimal form, the denominator must be 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, and so on. Okay? 5 convert to 10, 100, 1000. How? By using friends. 5 الفرنس عندي 2. Yes, يبقى 5 times 2 in the denominator. It must be times 2 in the numerator. Put 6 and 3 times 2 equals 6. 5 times 2 equals 10. So convert to the decimal, denominator is 10. Okay. يبقى put 6 in the whole number and put 6 in tenths after one decimal place. يبقى put 6 after one decimal place. B. 36 and 3 over 25. 25 I want to convert 10, 100, 1000, 10,000. How? 25 friend 4. Put 36 and 25 times 4 friend and time 4 in numerator. 36 25 times 4 احنا عارفينها من friends 100. 3 times 4 equal 12. Convert to the decimal, put 36 in the whole number and put 12 after two decimal places. C. 18 and 2 over 125 must be 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, and so on. 125 friends 8. يبقى time 8 in the denominator and time 8 must be time 8 in the numerator. Put 18, 2 times 8 equals 16, 125 times 8 equals 1000. So put 18 in whole number and 16 after 3 decimal places. We will remember strong numbers. Strong number begin from what? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. If a strong number, give me 1 because it's a strong number. But weak number begin from what? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. يبقى الweak number begin from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. But strong number begin from 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Example, approximate to the nearest tenth. This number approximate to the nearest tenth. At the first, put line in tenth. Tenth after decimal point, tenth. Yes, and look at the number before. Number 6. Strong or weak? Strong. Yes. Give me 1, please. Give me 1 because it is a strong number. Yes, يبقى 6. Give me 1. So the approximation is 5.4. But 6 خلاص انا هو اداني بلس 1 عشان هو strong number. يبقى خلاص انا كده مش هبصله تاني خلاص. اوكي يبقى ال approximation 5.4. Question 5. Approximate to the nearest tenth. Tenths. طب عندي 0.1 1 over 10 1 decimal place the same tenths. يعني يا ميس لو جالي 0.1 أو or 1 over 10 or 1 decimal place هي التنثs. اوكي number 8 8.46. okay to approximate to the nearest tenth put line in the tenth 4 in tenths. okay and look at the number before 6. Strong or weak? Strong number. Please give me 1. So give 1 to 4. 4 plus 1 equal 5, so approximation is 8.5. B, 53 hundredths. Put line in 5 and look at the number before. Number 3 is weak or strong? Weak. Don't give me anything, okay? Don't give me poor number. So approximation 0.5. The same number 5 is the same. 3 and 25 over 100. To approximate to the nearest tenth must be decimal number. Okay, convert to decimal number, put 3 and put points and put 25 after two decimal places and approximate to the nearest tenth. 2, put line in 2 and look at the 5 strong number, give me 1. Okay, so the approximation is 3.3. D, 5 and 21 hundredths. Put line in the tenth وقال لي هنا tenth يبقى put line in the tenth and look at the number before. Gone, a weak number, don't give me anything, so the same number to the same number. This approximation is 5.2. Question 6. Approximate to the nearest tenth, or 0.1 or 1 over 10 or 1 decimal place at the same. Okay, number A, 9 and 16 hundredths. Okay, put line in tenths after decimal point tenth. Put line in tenths and look at the number before. Number before 6 is a strong number. Give me 1, please. Give me 1. 1 plus 1 equal what? Equal 2. And 6, good boy. 0.55. Put line in 5 and look at number before. 5 strong number. Give me 1. 5 plus 1, 6. 0.6. And 5, good boy. 13 and 11 over 25 as the first, convert to decimal number. Must be, the denominator must be 10, 100, 1000. يبقى using friends 25 الفرند بتاعتها 4. يبقى هعمل هنا time 4 in the denominator and the time 4 in the numerator. 13, 11 times 4 equal 44. 25 times 4 احنا عارفينها من الفرندس 100. انا عندي كده الدينومينيتور 100. تمام، يبقى convert to the decimal. Put 13 in whole number and 45 after two decimal places. Approximate. Put line in 4 and look at the number before. 4, give me 1. No, weak number, poor number, don't give me anything. Okay, so approximation 13.4 and another 4, good boy. To approximate to the nearest tenths, put line in tenths after decimal point tenths. Look at the number 8. 8 strong, give me 1. So the approximation 0.7 and 8, good boy. Thank you for listening, Primary 5. Thank you. Goodbye.